Hey guys, now you can create amazing AI shorts using the NotebookLM mobile app. Let me show you how. This is the NotebookLM logo. You can download it from the Google Play Store. Now open the NotebookLM app. Tap Create New. Here you can upload your source as a PDF, audio file, or image. You can also copy and paste a website link or a YouTube link. And NotebookLM will use this to create your shorts. One important thing. If you're planning to post your shorts on social media, be aware of copyright. I always recommend using your own content. Today, we'll use a PDF. Tap PDF and upload your file. Now tap Studio. This is where the magic happens. From here, you can generate audio overviews, video overviews, slide decks, quizzes, infographics, and much more. Today, we're going to create a shorts, so tap the arrow next to Video Overview. You'll now see two options, Short and Explainer. Select Short. Next, choose your source. Make sure the correct source is selected, and then tap Done. Now, NotebookLM asks what you want the video to focus on. You can choose one of the suggested topics, or you can give it your own custom topic with a prompt. Here's a pro tip. Instead of generating a video for the entire PDF, you can make NotebookLM focus on just one specific topic. For this example, I only wanted to cover Relevance of Money from my PDF, so I'll use this prompt. Generate a short video overview based only on the section titled Relevance of Money in the uploaded PDF. Ignore every other chapter or topic, focus on the key ideas. Explain them in a simple and engaging way. Include one relatable example, and structure the content for a 45 to 60-second short with colorful visuals. I'll also paste this prompt in the video description so you can try it. Now tap Generate. You can select Yes, Notify Me to let NotebookLM notify you when your video is ready. Your video has now started generating. You can see its progress here. It usually takes a few minutes, so to save your time, I'll skip ahead. And it's ready! Let's see what NotebookLM created.
Money completely transformed human civilization. Before money, trade relied purely on barter, a rigid system.
Wow! It generated motion graphics, colorful visuals, voiceover, and subtitles automatically. Honestly, that's impressive. You can download the video from here. If you're a teacher, this is a fantastic way to help students understand concepts with engaging visuals. And if you're a content creator, it's a fast way to turn your knowledge into educational shorts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching!